Tejshri told us about what is captured on candid camera. Ajit Pawar has been named by this doctor. We have reaction now from Ajit Pawar camp.
Earlier today, Ajit Pawar was also seen meeting the Pune commissioner. Now reaction coming in. Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP reacting to the revelations in the Times Now sting operation. The NCP national spokesperson has said that the claims made by the doctor about Ajit Pawar in the sting must be investigated. Going on to say that Ajit Pawar does not need a clean chit from anyone in the party and he is a man of his word. Listen in.
I would like to have your first reaction on the sting operation conducted by Times Now, in which the Dean is allegedly exposing and saying that everything was managed from the top level.
See, at the present moment, it's one man's word against another man's word. We all know this is a very sensitive case. The entire NCP leadership has taken very serious cognizance of the entire episode. The police has been given full permission to conduct an impartial inquiry. And no matter who is guilty in the entire chain of events, from who was driving, then who apprehended the culprit, what happened in the legal system within the juvenile
says that because Ajit Dada called the CP, that is why it was managed.
As I said, that is one man's word. When the entire investigation takes place and all the dots are connected...
But that one man cannot be ignored, sir.
We are not ignoring anybody and we are not asking anybody to be ignored. When a complete investigation happens, all the people who are party to this whole episode, whether they were bureaucrats, they were officers, they were normal citizens, they will all be accountable and the ultimate truth will come.
But who would check for the Deputy Chief Minister himself?
No. If there is a call record, it will be their own record. If somebody has made an allegation like that, it can't be just taken at face value. It has to be supported with some credible evidence as well.
He's also confirming that Mr. Tingre, who's the MLA from the NCP from your own party, made a call to the Dr. Tavre, and that is why the blood samples were exchanged.
See, again, from yesterday I've been hearing that there were 45 missed calls received by Mr. Tingre on his mobile phone. I think all these things will come under investigation. Every single charge that has been leveled, whether it is against Mr. Tingre, or the family which was involved in this mishap, or the doctors from the hospital, or all the other functionaries who are public representatives, all are going to be answerable.
Is NCP as a party giving a clean chit to Mr. Pawar?
We have not given a clean chit to anybody. Pawar Sahib, Ajit Dada does not require a clean chit from me as a spokesperson or the party. The whole party knows he's a man not just of mere words, he's a man of action. Ajit Dada has been in active politics for over 30 years. Everybody knows he stands for whatever he says. His word is not to be taken lightly. And
but
when
he
he
did
said,
make call to the CP.
That was a very normal routine call. You see, when as Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Ministers of the state, there is a briefing of the law and order situation and whatever mishaps have happened, which are in the eyes of the people, where a senior officer, an IPS of the level of the IG, comes and gives them a daily briefing. So subsequent to that, he must have made a call with regards to this. But what did he say in the call? We have the CP in Pune on record who says that the Guardian Minister and Deputy Chief Minister called me and said that nothing should be left for any reasonable doubt.
And what is about Mr. Tingre, who made a call to the commissioner, who visited the Yagoda police station, who also made a call to the Dr. Way, and it's supposed to be that he had visited Sassoon Hospital as well?
I'm as keen as you to know the answers to all this. So as and when the investigating authorities feel the need to summon him, they shall summon him. Whenever he is summoned, I have no doubts that he will face the inquiry, he will cooperate to the fullest, and all of us will have answers which are satisfactory.
But you as a party would definitely like to know that whatever the exposure is made by the Dean on Times Now, that should be investigated.
It should be investigated and the truth will come out. If what he says has credibility, that will be proven. If he is saying something just to protect himself, that shall also come to light. Eventually, the law has to prevail and the law is equal for all.
That's the first reaction coming in from Ajit Pawar camp after the doctor at the Sassoon Hospital has named Ajit Pawar and said, "Unka phone idhar aaya tha." What does idhar mean? We don't know. It is open to interpretation. But the Ajit Pawar camp would have us believe that there is no interference in this probe. We also have